At number 4, we've got the Iwi Tavor TS12. This bullpup design is compact, futuristic, and holds a whopping 15 rounds. It's like the shotgun version of a sports car. Fast, agile, and a little bit flashy. The TS12 is perfect for anyone who wants a high-capacity shotgun without sacrificing maneuverability. It's short, it's lightweight, and it's easy to handle, even in tight spaces. Plus, it's got that futuristic look that'll make you feel like you're in a sci-fi movie. But here's the thing, this shotgun isn't for everyone. It's got a bit of a learning curve, and it's not exactly cheap, but if you're willing to put in the time and money, the TS12 is a beast of a shotgun that's ready for anything.